invite Kim to ask question. Kim, you can unmute and ask your question. Yeah, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm Dr. Satish, gastroenterologist from Tirupati. Why can't we take complete history through phone and review the patient's reports and everything through WhatsApp so that we can minimize the contact with the patient? So whatever required physical examination can be completed and history will take through phone. Why can't we do like that?
Yeah, definitely, Doctor. That is one of the very good suggestion. Actually, we are planning to do one more follow-up session in the next week, first part of the next week, wherein we are trying to see that how this digital technology, whether they be apps or web-based or WhatsApp or Google Duo, whatever, how can we use it to complement to our practice, wherein our type of clinical care that we are giving is not compromised. So we will be coming forth with this concept, and we'll be taking your inputs also to how better to use these digital platforms and what are the different platforms, and we will try to assess them and go slightly into the depth. Me and Chalpati are planning to do it in the first week of the next week, first half of the next week. Thank you.
Thank you.
I know.
How about making now the emergency cases will allow all the non-emergency cases who come for follow-up? How about keeping some IT personnel who will put all their old record, important record, into digitalize them? We should make for the follow-up cases at least paperless.
Yes.
Number one. This was my first question. The second question is, how about the patients who come? They should not be allowed to carry fomites with them, and they carry bags, so many records, X-rays, all those things. They should be allowed to keep them at the entrance, and their hands should be sanitized. This sanitizer, the security person, I have seen the supermarkets are there. They spray on the hands. They just rub it as if it's a scent, something like a scent or something. They're not rubbing it. Well, most of the people do not know how to use the sanitizer. Sanitizer has to be rubbed nicely into the creases and the nail bed and everywhere. That's not being followed. They're thinking that when that chemical is sprayed on your hands, it's enough. Everything is killed. No, it's not like that. So one thing is this. So how about, is there any substitute which will be more stronger? Can we ask them to dip their hands like that, In old days, when I used to study in Usmania, we used to have two bowls, with a towel. One used to have Dettol water, another is to clean water. We used to dip our hands in Dettol water, take out our hands, and then dip it into the other hand. Such things can be kept and frequently changed so that the people rub their hands in that and come. What is the efficacy of this thing compared to this not properly used sanitizer? Thank you. Will you give me a clear picture about this? I'll be happy.
Yeah. So regarding the first part of the question, so if practically I want to say we also run an healthcare IT company, and we have our application. What I practically am planning to do at this point of time is we have citizens application wherein they can upload the reports, which I will be able to see it digitally. Or if we don't have the application, the simple thing is, before the patients come to the hospital, we should encourage them that they should call to the hospital and take a prior appointment. Once prior appointment is taken, the second aspect that our staff should give to the patient and their attendants are, please upload all your old relevant records, whether it be previous prescriptions or previous reports, including the medicines. The pictures of the medicines has to be taken a picture and sent on a WhatsApp, so that our staff will forward it to us. So whenever the patient comes, we open our maybe our laptop or our tablet and see into the reports of the patients, rather than touching all the reports which they are carrying, which may have the chances of fomites. The second aspect, sir, as you suggested, one thing that is present in the Disney World is also that there have a large maybe wash machine like things are there in which both hands can be dipped and alcohol based diluted solutions are present in which the kids will keep their hands there, wash it and bring it out. As you suggested in the previous era, there used to be two balls used to be there. One was with the Dettol or the Savlon, and that was a clean thing. But yeah, sir, this can be used. But if we are seeing more number of patients, right? We need to balance depending upon our comfortability by keeping our hands and washing it repeatedly within such type of a disinfecting solution is better, or using some gloves as suggested by Chalpati, which can be taken out and thrown after each and every patient is there. Depends upon one's own preferences. We can stick on to any of the things. Chalpati, you want to add anything?
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, fine. I think practicing inner and outer gloves is also important, but even we have to sanitize those inner gloves also each time, because you will be handling your pens and papers when you are wearing your inner gloves. Once you are off out of once you start writing the prescription and all, you will remove the outer gloves and start using them. Still, we have to sanitize. So, as of now, as you told, I think alcohol-based sanitizers are better.